up, guys? Today we're in Lake Bemidji again, and I got a special guest today, Shan. You're from the area, right?
I'm from Bemidji, yes.
Yeah, and your parents run...
They run Rutgers Birchmont Lodge.
All right.
Right on the South Shore Lake Bemidji, North Shore.
North Shore.
North Shore Lake Bemidji.
All right. Yeah. It's a cool place. We were actually there earlier in the week and got some stuff out of there, found some treasures, left some masks at the beach for the kids. So, yeah. We'll go out here and do some cleanup along the college shore here, and people come out here canoeing, kayaking, sailboating, and they drop stuff, and we're gonna go try to clean it up.
The ice fishing in the winter.
Oh yeah.
Things go down those holes up there. So.
If you just want to go under and check, make sure your regulator's working right. I think I shut mine off. So yeah, I got it. So you can adjust this to go deeper if you want.
Yeah.
Usually when I want my depth, I'll just take it, twist it, and then run it back through here. We'll just go along here and pick up whatever. Yeah, we'll head that way. Find anything yet? Yeah, nice. Really shallow up here.
Yeah.
And you can't see anything under the weeds. It sucks.
Yeah, not really.
And if you want to go head that way to where it drops off, I mean, I did get out the garbage already, but oh yeah, cool. You got some stuff.
Looks old, right?
Yeah, it could be.
It's a little bit of trash. It's not a ton,
Yeah, there's
but
not
a
much
ton
out here. I usually get a lot more in the spots I go. This is just kind
of like little scraps.
Yeah.
On this bracelet.
Oh, nice. Yeah, this is kind of hit and miss.
Got a ton right now.
Got 3% battery left. Nice. That looks pretty amazing down there. It drops off, goes down. Saw a bunch of tiny perch down there. And I saw a school of suckers. Pretty neat.
Mystery jar.
Mystery jar right there.
Mystery jar.
What do you think's in there?
I'm not sure we find out.
No, no, you're opening it.
Maybe it's ancient booze.
Taste test.
No way!
Well, you got a bunch more, some rope, some fishing line.
Rope, one lure,
Oh yeah.
a little eye.
Is that a Northland tackle jig? I don't know.
Ooh.
Maybe.
Plastic cups, lots of zebra mussels, rope.
Yep, and
Is
you found a lighter, some Minnesota sauce packets right here.
The bracelet.
Do you like the sauce in Minnesota?
We like our sauce.
Okay.
We're more of ranch people though, you know.
Okay, and a bracelet there.
Yes, a little bracelet. Some dice on there.
Did you see any big fish down there today?
No big fish. One walleye, couple crappie. We saw 1,000 perch down
A
there.
lot of perch.
Yeah.
Yeah, the perch are so small, but there are a lot of them.
Yeah.
Also got some other plastic in here. Piece of a tire, piece of a pail, bigger jar right here. First time I found an inhaler. Maybe it might still work. Another vape pen here. Find a lot of these. Let's go to my collection though. A little fiberglass stick here for something. Don't know what that's for. A couple things of glass and aluminum. Fun dive. Cool hanging out with Shan for the dive. And she had a lot more air left than I did. I had 250 psi. She had 1,700. But I started with less. She started with more.
It's okay.
So,
It's all fair in the end.
thanks for coming out.
Thanks for hanging out with me.